Welcome to Complete Traffic Science, Guide for Every Driver. Let's start. Motorcycles and cars only. Cycles only. Yard. Curve ahead. Side road. Winter weather ahead. Freeway ahead. Lorries only. No waiting. Pedestrian crossing. Slow down. School crossing. Slippery road. No U-turn. No parking. Turn left ahead. Wild animals. Falling rocks. Roundabout ahead. Road work. Turn right ahead. No overtaking. Dead end straight. No motor vehicles. No turning left. No turning right. Two-way traffic ahead. No crossing. U-turn ahead. Railway crossing ahead. Ahead only. One-way traffic. Uneven road. Traffic ahead. No entry. Airport ahead. Hump. Narrow road ahead. No overtaking lorry. Cross roads. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share and comment.